This is a 1941, late 41 Matchless G3L that has not had much done to it for years by the look of it. It's very, very original. And the last owner but one had had it for years, and he'd been in the army, and he named it Bertie. And it's still named Bertie now. It's, for some reason, I think we're running a little bit rich, and it's missing occasionally, but it hasn't stopped him going along at 55 miles an hour. And he's doing it on Chevron front tyre, so it's almost a war grade tyre. So, and being a bit careful because it's sunny here but slippery 10 miles away. It's got a V5C. It's badged to the Armoured Corps, the Guard's eye on it, which could put it anywhere really, around Europe or earlier Italy. The 79 on black, pretty sure is about 42 for an MP Provost unit. This is a bike that hasn't been restored and will be sold obviously cheaper than the others that we have done a lot of work on. And we'll probably need somebody who is at least good with spanners to buy it. Sounds nice, Pete.